Well, hello, Friday, 2025. It's Friday, May 23rd at about 1 o'clock. Gonna try to knock this out and get it if I can fast. Tired. Why is there so much stuff in my house? Uh, Seems like every time I get going, I end up with a couple extra bags of trash. Yeah, the I have everything, all the tiles out, the drapes are gone, the windows taped. I need to run a vacuum everywhere. A few small pieces of tile that I might need to chip out, but I think that's pretty much everything. So I finished prep. Didn't get to paint. I'll do the touch ups on it and make sure I'm ready for paint on Wednesday night. Yeah, only a week behind, like 3 weeks. Uh, I don't know. There's so much more. And every time I get turning around, I find something that needs to go somewhere else where I look at it and I say, trash. And yeah, hell, I even went over, I have a stainless steel uh, beer keg. I got it from a guy here a couple blocks over that had a garage sale about 12 or so years ago. And I was going to turn it into cut it open and make a barbecue pit out of it. Stainless steel works good for that. Never got around to doing it. I carried it over, was going to sell it at the scrap metal place. Apparently, they don't take stainless steel as scrap metal when it's in the form of a beer keg. I don't know. And they wouldn't take my scuba tank. They said it has to be cut in half before they can take it. I don't get it. And then I watched them move a bin full of uh, uh, propane tanks from uh, what would be on the back of a small indoor forklift, not electric, but a propane one, a gas operated. Yeah, and they were whole, but my air tank's going to blow up, but propane tank isn't. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, I hauled off and brought those home. Got them unloaded and went to the car wash. Got my car wash because, oh yeah, front windshield, I could look through the mud again. Problem is, we're just so dry right now. It's already dried out and everything's dusting up. Just the morning condensation catches the dust and turns it into mud. You go out there and you think you're just going to wipe the water off, and it goes mud streak. uh, yeah, it is what it is. Between the wind being up so high and the fact that it's been dry for a couple of weeks, yeah, it's all it takes around here. Week two, and you start getting serious dust problems. Uh, yeah, I am so ready to not have to deal with dust. It is what it is. Oh well. Gonna try to get a couple other things done. I'm going into packing mode to try to get everything that is going into either a Balancbine box or into a suitcase. And I'm looking at more and more of my clothes and just going trash. It's kind of like the ones that got the cut on the front because they were too tight around my neck. Trash them. I'm wearing them again and throwing them in the trash. I ain't even gonna wash them. This one, at least the collar's still good. It's comfortable and it's in good shape. But I'm tossing stuff left and right. And it's kind of like, with this Chester drawer. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to be in basically pack it away mode, get it took care of. Uh, Gonna get to work tonight. I got to set up that MacBook Air. It's gonna do that tonight at my job. Hopefully, it'll be quiet. uh, but I was over there and saw that they had what was it, 29 reservations yesterday, and 17 of them were 6 days. So I'm gonna have a large crew for breakfast for the next week. So breakfast is gonna be fun. It is what it is. It's okay. Boss will be happy with the fact that we've got more people in the house. And hopefully they'll sell out most of them before I get there and I won't have anything to do uh, when I do get there. So I can have free time to set up this computer. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. And I'm trying to get it figured out. The, oh, sorry. I finished eating and I really am tired. It's one of them things. I eat and I want to go to sleep. I think that might be part of my normal routine during the last 20 years. I work nights. I come, I get home, I eat, and then I go to sleep. And usually that's by 12, 1 o'clock, 2 at the latest for my normal schedule. So, yeah, I'm going to get this in the can and go get cleaned up and go to sleep. Because, well, that's what you got to do on Sunday night and go face Monday morning, even if it's a Friday night. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Have a wonderful and blessed weekend. And, yep, catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. Oh, and more food. Always more food. Anyway, I'm fishing. Hey, fish is out.